got a ABS sensor out, and my O2 sensor is still bad, and really hadn't got around to fixing those yet, so maybe get rid of those lights eventually. But exhaust after it's been broken in from inside the car. And we'll go windows down first. Or windows cracked. So.
This revelation from this study is kind of freaking me out right now. 30% of people do not.
So here's the tent set up right now. It's got a 5% strip, 35 on the windshield, and 20 on the front too, and 5/20 on the back. So that's 1%. So a lot better setup than having the 5/20 on the front too. You can actually see out at night and stuff. So a little bit better. But yeah, the exhaust has got about probably 6,000 miles on it or so, maybe a little more. Starting to break in just a little bit. Well, got a train coming up, so crank up the AC for a moment and roll the windows up and listen to a little bit of music, see what the radio's got to offer us. Not a whole lot.
Like the burning end of a midnight cigarette, she broke his heart. He's spent his whole life trying to forget.
Alright, so windows are up now, see, and I'll do a wide open run here as soon as I get past this car in front of me. We'll just do a 0 to 60. Nice even number. It's bright outside today. Alright, here we go. well, a little more than 0 to 60, but the first part was uphill, so that's pretty much it though. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's I like it. Highway speeds like this, you can hear the tires more than you can the exhaust, which is a good thing. Possibly thinking about doing high flow cats at some point to replace it's got 2 factory cats, and it's got quite a lot of miles on it, so I'm sure those cats are probably somewhat clogged up, and maybe a new set of high flows would help it breathe a little better. I'm sure it'd make it a little more raspy and a little louder, but I'm not sure how much. So I'm kind of nervous about that. I don't want it to be too loud or too poppy, but we'll see. Yeah, it's my exhaust. I'll get another exterior video with the lift and everything on, and all the other new stuff I've done. But I did go with a bigger lift than I said I would, so just have to wait and see. But alright, I'm out.